Imagine selling a product that is completely legal, federally compliant, properly labeled, and still getting blocked by Amazon. Not because the law said no, because the algorithm did not understand the law. And the worst part is Amazon kept asking the seller for a document that literally does not exist. Welcome back to the another real Amazon case breakdown. This is not theory, this is not fake guru story, this is real compliance case that show how Amazon internal system sometimes operate completely different from actual regulation. And if you sell supplement, chemicals, pesticides, wellness products, cleaning products, or anything remotely regulated, you need to understand this case carefully. A seller was listing a lime-based pest control product on Amazon under multiple ACEs. The product used ingredients that were fully allowed under the EPA's Section 25B exemption. Now, what does that mean? Under FIFRA, FIFRA, certain minimum risk pesticide products are exempt from EPA registration requirement. It means the product is legal, but it does not need an EPA registration number. The ingredients were approved, the label were compliant, every match federal law. So the seller assumed the product could be sold nationwide without issues. But then Amazon's compliance system triggered a California restriction. And this is where things become dangerous. Amazon system identified the ASIN as a pesticide-related product, so the algorithm searched for one thing, an EPA registration number. But because the product was exempt, there was no registration number to provide. Instead of understanding the exemption, the system interpreted absence of registration number as non-compliance. This is scary part about Amazon automation. Sometimes the system is not asking, is this product legal? It's asking, does this product fit inside my predefined compliance workflow? The seller contacts seller support, and what support repeatedly asks for EPA registration number again and again and again, even though the entire point of the exemption is that no registration number exists. This created a dangerous loop because every failed ticket increases risk signal internally. Many sellers don't realize this. Repeated unsolved compliance ticket scans slowly train Amazon's internal system to associate your ASIN with regulatory risk. Most sellers keep reopening support cases. This is a big mistake because standard seller support usually follows scripts and workflows. If your situation falls outside of the normal process, they often cannot solve it. This case required escalation to Amazon's restrict products legal team, not regular support. And the team work differently. They don't rely on the forms, and they review actual regulatory evidence instead of arguing emotionally with a support agent. The escalation focused on product label images because the legal team could directly compare visible ingredients against EPA approved minimum risk ingredient list. That's how the case was reframed. Not trust us, the product is compliant, but here are the ingredients. Here is the exemption category. Here is why registration number does not exist. This case teach a massive lesson. Amazon compliance is not always about legality. Sometimes it's about whether your product fit inside Amazon's automated logic system, and those are two completely different things. A product can be legally compliant and still get law, especially in state like California where additional regulatory layers exist. If you sell a regulated products on Amazon, never assume federal compliance automatically protects you from Amazon enforcement. And never assume seller support fully understands specialized regulatory exemptions. So because sometimes the biggest problem is not the law, it is the system interpreting the law incorrectly. If you enjoy real Amazon case breakdowns like this, cases that actually happen behind the scenes, subscribe to the channel because every week we decode how Amazon system really behaves so you can avoid the mistakes before they happen.